Tanya, while you and Chef Anthony, along with Caroline, were giving us Nana's apple pie, we had a couple special guests here in the studio, a little moral support for Caroline, and I'd be remiss there if I didn't bring them on and just kind of give them some run as well. So once again, Caroline is the one who gave us Nana's apple pie. I'd like to introduce you to Haley and Zecora. Haley, a senior at Pittsburg, and Zecora, a sophomore. I wanted to add, I really did want you guys to come on and talk about this. How long have you guys known Caroline? And it's really important when somebody does this for the first time, goes on TV, that you have a little emotional support friend group behind you. How did you guys get involved in this?
I've known Caroline way before we've taken this class together.
Yeah.
We used to work together at Napoli's restaurant.
Got it.
Yes. So we waitress.
Zecora, how did you get involved?
I just met Caroline.
You just met?
Yeah.
Well, this semester.
Yeah,
This
we
semester
met.
through
We
the
all.
class.
Yeah, me and Caroline met Zecora through this class.
Yes.
How long have you and Nana been making those pies? And if you could estimate, how many pies do you think you've made with Nana?
I would say probably since I was about 5 and hundreds.
100?
Maybe
Really?
100?
No, I believe you.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
easily believe
I
you.
Don't count, but lots.
That is tremendous.
Yeah.
Haley and Zecora, what have you guys taken from Chef Anthony's class? We've been fortunate enough to have students on here before, but what have you learned through this last semester that you know is going to translate later in life and help you?
Well, I'm about to move out, so like not recent, like super soon, but I will be moving out soon enough, and you know, I never really had the idea of cooking at all
a great
before.
point.
So, but now that I'm getting closer to moving out, I'm starting to think about having to cook for myself, and he's made me want to actually cook for myself instead of having to.
And
cook for
Zecora, as
myself.
you wrap up your sophomore year, is this something that you see yourself interested in the future?
Yes, I actually really like cooking, and just this class made me want to do it more.
That is so kind. That is so cool. That is so cool. And finally, I want to give special thanks to Caroline's Nana. That really did mean a lot. Have you guys ever done weather before?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do this. See, I'm just gonna exit. All you have to do is turn and look, and find a city. There you go. You guys are doing great.
Here's
Essentially,
Here's
it's
Pittsburgh.
warm, right?
Here's Pittsburgh.
It's warm. You guys are doing a tremendous job. And as we get to our 7-day forecast, you can say that it's going to be hot and humid today. Haley, you're not blocking anything. You're fine. And Zecora is showing us that we have spotty chances for rain through the end of next week, but the key factor is where Caroline's sitting by that Friday is where we're going to see perfect, where we're going to see a little morning rain on the far western edge of southeast Kansas, and then see the afternoon and evening thunderstorms develop in the southern and central portion for Friday night into Saturday. Caroline, Haley, Zecora, I can't thank you enough for your time. You've been very gracious, and congratulations to you two graduating, and best of luck to you two going through Pittsburg High School, Zecora. We'll be back with more KOM Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.